Quick little update here on the 2008 Silver Saturn. Just got it back from the frame straightening shop. Got the new impact bar welded in there. Frame rail on that side is all straightened out, looking spectacular. The hood gap is looking a lot better. It used to be pretty wide right here. This side is looking real good too. Pop the hood here. Forgot to mention that the hood latch did not line up before either, so that's working good now too. The upper radiator mount here is straightened out, looking great. So now start putting it back together. Try some headlight buffing on the Saturn here. This passenger one's a little foggy on top, not too bad on the bottom. This driver one over here is pretty foggy though, so I'm going to give it a go here with the buffing compound and the rotary. See how it turns out. Just finished up the headlight buffing. Top of that one came out real nice and shiny. That headlight looks great. Driver one over here, it's pretty good. Shined up. It's got a little bit of yellowing to it, but overall I think it's a great improvement from what it was. Have to let me know what you guys think. Alright, just wrapping up for the day here. Got dark outside on me. Got the radiator in. Got her fired up. Just letting the coolant work its way through, get them burps out. Can't really see anything, sorry. There we go, that helps a little bit. Sounding pretty good so far. I think I had a bolt let loose on my exhaust down here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Got that radiator fit in there permanently. Just letting the antifreeze flow through there. Should be good. Get the bumper painted, get her put back together. Let me know what you think.